We're changing green tinted windows to privacy glass. First you need to remove 3 hidden screws. One is just behind the handle, and second one is here. You just need to slide down.
And another one is here.
And another one is where this window is opened. Now we need to take a door panel out. It's some pops. You just use a little bit of force.
Pops out, position out. Don't forget it. There is the cable for this little light. So you have to disconnect before you take the door panel off.
We're going to disconnect all those cables. Now we're gonna remove those 3 bolts. Those screws are different. Every time you're taking off, just make a picture, then when you're gonna put it back, you know it's going in a right direction. If you're still watching, please subscribe to the channel. More helpful videos about Lexus ES300 hybrid coming soon. Thank you guys. Now we're gonna remove those pops. We're gonna have to remove one hidden screw. It's just behind here. You can see it's a rusty one. And then you're gonna need to remove this one and this one. 10 mil bolts. If you like to remove a little one as well, you need to take those rubbers off. And it is another 2 bolts. One is here and second is there. Okay, this one is like even matches a chrome because it's holding that chrome bit here. Now we have to place window down to take little one out. Going to remove this bar. And push this little window out. It's easy, gonna come off. Privacy glass comes in a place. We want to take this clip off.
10 mil bolts.
Oh, now we need to pull a bit window up.
Hello, up, up, up. That's it. That's what you need. You need to take this one off and that one off. Always make sure you pull it out from inside of the car. Don't scratch. That was so good.
And reverse side, put everything back.
Put the bar back. It's easier to put all the window down. Bar is in. Put 1 screw back, 2 bolts back.
To place this rubber back, you need just to lubricate with a bit of water or screen wash, like Manta's telling. Also, if you would like to see more about this car, you can check a Lexus playlist on my channel. Thank you guys.